Hello, this is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team. I want to talk to you about pedestrian accidents. If you've been hit while on the road and you're a pedestrian, there's some unique things to your case. Oftentimes in these cases, we want to make sure that the police are called. If you don't have that opportunity, there are some things that we can do, but if you do have the opportunity, call the police, make sure they take a report, get witness statements. That'll go a long way to make sure that the stories don't change later on down the road. If you don't have the report, there are some things that you can do. You can go back to the scene and take photographs. You can get an investigator working on the case to interview witnesses. You can make sure that you're documenting all of what you remember from the accident. And you can track down any of those additional bits of evidence that might help you establish a claim and make sure that the insurance company for the person that hit you accepts liability in your case. Once you've got liability accepted, now you're on the road to recovery, but there's a lot of other things that you need to consider. What are your medical expenses? What are your future medical expenses? And how are you going to get the doctors to make sure that you're on the path to recovery and not worrying about your bills coming in and your health insurance, whether it's going to cover? You want to make sure that you're looking at the liens that may attach to your case too. These are the doctor's bills that you may have to pay back later on via your insurance company or your health insurance. These are all things that you can do to make sure that you're on the path to recovery and not worrying about the bills that come in the mail and cause additional anxiety. What we do at our firm is we make sure that you have a team on your side, and that includes your attorney working with you, getting all the information. Oftentimes we have an investigator. Sometimes we even do accident reconstructions. These are things that will really help you maximize your recovery and make sure that you're getting your future taken care of. If you'd like some more information about pedestrian accidents, please give us a call, 602-283-4122.